Welcome to Conversations with My Real Friends. I'm Jennifer. I'm here with my friend Emma.
Hi.
Emma is a luxury interior designer, and on this episode, we're going to talk about sustainability, environment, right? There's ways that you can make a property environmentally conscious, and I'm sure many of the clients here in Southern California, that's an issue for. So how do you build sustainability and environmental ideas into a design?
So yes, there's a lot of ways. If we're talking only furniture and painting,
Right.
we'll only use low VOC paint. This is a no-brainer nowadays. It's being a no-brainer.
Right.
In terms of furniture also, we can select materials that are more natural,
Right.
with less chemicals when they were manufactured.
Right.
But in terms of remodeling, we like to advise the client sometimes to not necessarily redo everything, and sometimes beautiful stones have been already used.
Right.
You know, we already carved the earth with this gorgeous marble.
Yeah.
If there's already marble, maybe we can salvage it and
Right.
use it to build a coffee table. You
Right.
know, like it costs to
Yeah.
carefully
Right.
demolish.
Yeah.
But it's rewarding if you know that it's in honor of Mother Earth that is
Right.
giving us everything.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yes, and there are companies who are specialized in demolition in respect of salvaging wood can be
Right.
salvaged.
Yep.
And it's not necessarily about doing everything, but the little things, and they
Right.
add up.
Yeah. Right. Because if you're trying to be environmentally conscious, there's gradients
Yes.
of this. But I mean, like, for example, we put bamboo floors in. Bamboos are supposed to be better than
They
Right.
grow faster.
right.
and-
Bamboo is
yeah.
a sustainable
Yes.
tree. You're not taking out old growth trees, right? But those dang floors have no sturdiness whatsoever, right? So you've got to balance. I got kids who spill stuff on the bamboo floor that can't manage it, whereas a linoleum
fro-
or right, like a pergo could manage it, right? So those things have to go into that discussion, right?
Yes, it's true. Even hardwood floor,
Right.
depend engineer, which is what we use now,
Yeah.
engineer floor. They are not all equals.
Right.
Some, the thicker, the most expensive, the thicker the layer
Yeah.
on top is, the more you can restain them, refinish
Right.
them, and then they have a longer span. So
Right.
this is a conversation we have with our clients. Sometimes
Yeah.
they want to spend less on their wood floor, but then the longevity is
Right.
less, and
Yeah.
the sustainability is hit by that.
Exactly.
So
So this is part of a design, right?
it is completely part of the design.
Yeah.
We
Great.
select the materials, so we want them to be,
Right.
as sustainable as possible.
Right. Okay. So if someone needs to redo their house, how can they reach you?
You can go on our website, www.iderochedesign.com. We have a book a call on the first page, and we look forward to hear from you.
Great. So thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you for having us.
Of course. And thank you for joining us for this episode of Conversations with My Real Friends. We'll see you on an episode soon.